Aloha friends and family. My name is Mikaele of the Fireknife Club, Mauga Mu, and thank you guys very much for joining us on another episode of Training with Mika. Choo! All right, friends and family. So the motion that I'm going to teach you guys today is going to be a couple of different types of kongis or throws. All right. So the first throw, as everyone knows, kongi lunga, is like this. Just an easy throw. So that's kongi lunga. This next toss, this one is going to be called kongi kavili lunga sapoi kua. All right. So in English, it's going to throw, spinning up, and catching it behind the back. Just like that, all right? So it's real easy. How we're gonna do this one, first start with your vili, go to the side. Now this one, you gotta remember, you're gonna add this kakai, all right? So kakai, if you don't remember how to do the kakai, please don't forget to look at the other video where I explained how to do this move, all right? So kakai, after you kakai, kongi, lunga, catch it in your back, all right? Now remember, when you catch behind your back, the blade will be on the top of the hand, all right? So when you catch behind your back, so do it again. Kakai, kongi, catch in the back, all right? One more time. Just like that, all right? All right, and so for the last toss that I'm gonna show you guys, it's called kongi kavili sapoi lalovai. So same thing, you're just gonna throw it, catch it under your leg, all right? So that's what it means. Throw and catch under your leg. All right, so you can catch it on this side. You can catch it on this side, on the inside. All right, come back. All right, so now we're gonna add all those kongis together. First one, all right, here we go. All right, family, there you guys have it. Some more motions that you guys can go home and practice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please don't forget to like and to share. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. Also, please do not forget to follow us on all our different social media platforms. They'll be in the description below. Remember, repetition is the father of learning. So always put God first. Keep practicing. Do it for your last name, not your first. Thank you guys very much for watching this. So far, so far.